Hey, Freddy. Oh, look at your head, darling. Happy Sunday. Oh, look at your head. Oh, bless you. Bless you. A new little hairstyle. Oh, let's hope they all sort themselves out soon, your feathers. You've got a bit, I think you've been foraging because you've got stuff in your feathers, haven't you? You've got stuff in your feathers, little Fred. Oh, bless you, little socks. That must be very itchy with your new feathers coming through, Fred. It's like you've turned into a punk style overnight. Hey, darling. Oh, there's people coming.